morning.
Good morning, Father.
It's cold outside, not inside. Good morning.
Good morning, Father.
Thank you. We'll do little mathematical calculations. How many of you got mobiles? Use them, use them. Sometimes it's good to use also. You are going to be here for how many years?
2 years.
Okay. How many months?
3
How many hours? No, I want to drive a point to you. How? Pardon me? Somebody can write on the board. Half of it. Just rough చేసి I need one volunteer. Volunteer to write on board, another volunteer to do little activity for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Fast, let us not waste time. You see, the moment you waste time, it continues. Any volunteer? Boys? Come. Anybody has got water bottle? No. No, come here. You hold the bottle this way and tell me when I ask. Just hold it like that for some time. Straight there. Do you feel the burden of it? Okay. How much weight it should be having?
450 grams.
ml, maybe 250 ml to 350 or 450 ml. Okay. Hold it for some time like that. When you feel the pain of it, let me know. Okay. That's side by side. Now, how many months we are having? 24 months into hours. Yeah, 24 months. How many hours?
24 hours.
How many days now? 24 into 30, you put it 30 days. Somebody with the calculator, tell her the number. She did not write everything. 720 days. 712. Okay. 720. Okay. Into 24 hours. There only you do it. Continue. Yeah, please help her. So, does the figure look normal or more? It is not normal. 17,000 hours. Suppose if you want to learn some guitar or piano or something else, typewriting or computer, do you think you will be able to learn within 17,280 hours? Please sit. How many of you feel you can learn? Or how many of you feel 17,000 hours or more? More to learn a computer. Computer you don't learn, you don't have to become Bill Gates. Or you don't have to become Sundar Pichai. Okay? In normal circumstances, 17,280 hours is a long time. You are feeling? Okay. How many minutes almost? 3 to 4 minutes? 5 minutes. Keep it there and go. Yeah, good. You know the point I am driving at home. First, the holding the bottle is this. You have habit of pending things. Today it may look one. When you are holding the bottle, it was not at all a burden. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. But if you hold it for some time, you start the pain. First day you may think only I am wasting 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours. If you continue to waste, then you are missing the biggest opportunity to create yourself. Nobody will create your life for you. You have to create your own life. You have to decide for yourself. Nobody will decide for you. They have already decided to put you into MBA, and you have decided, or your parents have decided to choose St. Joseph's. These decisions are over now. For another 2 years, you are not going to change your decisions with college or MBA. Now, the decisions henceforth you have to now take care. Okay? So, your using of time, you know, approximately in 2 years, out of 17,280 hours, how many hours you are going to waste in general? Because I do these calculations every year. I know the figure more or less. Almost 6,000 hours you are going to waste. 6,000 hours. You can become a Tendulkar. You can become Saina Nehwal. How many of you have got experience of climbing the mountain? 1, 2, little. At least no, you will be able to support my idea when I am talking. 3 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got you. Right. 4 people. Can somebody draw a picture of a hill there? Just like that. Why don't you take it in the center of the board? Okay. Little, you bring down those curves down, little more. Okay. Let the mountain look bigger. Okay, fine. I don't know whether you are able to see it or not. I am going to talk to you something about your habits, your decision making skills. Thereby, where you want to be, the other day I was talking, you have to drive to that point. Okay, I don't know whether you have made a decision on what to improve, how to improve. I am still with question mark. If you have already come to a conclusion where to improve, I am happy. If you have not come to a conclusion where to improve, you see, I am definitely sure some of you will be casual. Don't fall prey to their thinking. Some of them will be talking to you like that. But ultimately, see, it is you who is going to live your life to your satisfaction, not to the satisfaction of your friends or somebody. Maybe, you see, general tendency is if your friends want to go for a movie, you also want to go for a movie to satisfy them or to enjoy. That's fine. It's just part of your life, but not life. Okay? So, I would like to ask you, how many of you got favorite leaders or heroes or actors, actresses? You can at least raise your hands. You don't have anybody? All the crowd? Come on, just get up once, all of you. Stand. Turn one round to your right. Look at others' faces at least once. Turn to your left. Do it. I am serious. Yellow dress. Do it. Okay, please sit. With every activity I can try a point home to you. Now some of you have not followed this. See, those who are careless with little things will be also careless with bigger things. If you are careless with little things, you are also careless with bigger things. And if you are careless with little things, no bigger things will be handed over to you, either in your job or in your family or in your future. Suppose after 10 years you have a son or daughter of 8 years or 6 years, you give them a 100 rupee note and ask them to buy 2 liters of milk. How much it costs? 2 liters milk and okay, 1 liter, let us say 1 liter. You give 100 rupees and ask your daughter to get 1 liter. Fine, no problem. The remaining amount is not given to you. First time happens, second time happens, third time happens, you don't ask, she didn't give. What do you do next time? Either you tell to give the remaining amount, or you ask what the remaining amount is being used for, or you give exact amount to buy the milk. Small thing, but you will make a decision. You will not leave it. See, with your activity now, I just asked you to turn to your right and left. Some of you didn't. Which means what? What is there in that? That attitude is the one which is going to kill your personality. The moment you take things lightly, you never know what lies ahead of you. Your past, you know what happened, but your future, none of us know it. What may come to us, what good will happen to us, what bad will happen to us, none of us can decide. The one who is traveling on the road, maybe within 5 minutes, meet with an accident and then die. So many things we hear. Plane takes off and then crashes. Who gives guarantee? So everything that you need to take it little seriously. Now, as I asked, who is your favorite person in your life? You have somebody in your mind? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Can somebody name? It could be, see, it could be anybody. Sometimes some of you say mom or dad or somebody. Yeah. For you?
Mom and dad.
Okay. Anyone? It's not preferential option.
Dad.
It's just to
Dad.
dad, right? Anybody else? I want at least 10 answers. Sachin Tendulkar. Boys are dull. I don't know whether you are competing with your counterparts or not.
Daniel Ricciardo.
Daniel
Ricciardo.
is known for?
F1 racer.
Okay. Because I too don't know some things. F1 racer. Okay. Anybody else? 3 answers I've got. Backbenches, as usual, dull or contemplative? Please don't contemplate. I'm not trying to give you meditation tips. Okay. Participate. Somebody there? Dhoni. 4 members have got. Sachin Tendulkar. Again, repetition. 5. Another 5. This side of the crowd. Dad. 6 numbers. That side corner. Mom. 7. Dad. Okay, 8. Another 2. Pardon me. Last black shirt and then beside him. Yeah, black t-shirt. You are the one. You are the one. With the red mask. Yeah. You are the one. You are the one. No. To your side. Huh? I want you to say something. Dad. Okay, next to you. Virat Kohli. Okay. Now, can you identify one common point in all these people? No, not people. Common point. What they are known for. See, with your parents, it is very easy to say they sacrifice everything for your sake and they are there for you. Okay? Other people? Let me take one by one. Open. Being good at what they do.
Successful.
To their best. They do to the best of their ability. That's a wonderful point. Passion.
Successful people.
Success is it's like Mahesh Babu tells and leaders of management is success is a journey. But before that, what were they known for? That is important for us. Your point is right, but that is an output. Okay? Hard work, consistency, focus, determination. Now, when you like all these characteristics of different people, do you ever feel to emulate them? Or you want to remain just appreciating those people? I am happy none of you told heroes or actors and actresses' names. Maybe because for past 1 year there are no movie releases. Okay? So, decide what you want to be. This might look normal session for you, dear friends. Had somebody told us when we were studying like this, our personality would have been much, much better than what we are right now. And we are struggling to improve right now without getting time. You know, last night, 12 to 12:45, I prepared this session for you. Night. I was little busy, but didn't want to miss a chance. Tomorrow I am not there. Didn't want to miss a chance to see you and to tell you certain points. You see, advantage and disadvantage of being tall is this. I can see all your faces without any exception. And sight also is good because I have extra glasses. So you can't escape. So I want to tell you the qualities that other people are having. Why can't we also inherit them? First thing, let us begin with self-discipline. None of the players, you know, few years back there was an article about Sachin Tendulkar being world's best batsman. He also used to go to nets and practice. Anybody remembers? Yes? Kindly say loudly so that my point is. Did you read? No? Then you are poor readers. Tendulkar, in spite of being rated as the world's best batsman, he still goes and practices in the nets. Self-discipline. Rahul Dravid, world's test best batsman, same thing. Virat Kohli, look at his fitness. Has it come out of the blue moon like that? Do you think how many hours he has spent in gym? Days, years. It is not one day's output. You will never have success immediately. There is no Pani Puri success here. You know what is Pani Puri success? Immediately, you will make a hole and then fill it with that water and then give it to you, you have it. Within 5 minutes, your stomach is full. There is no 5-minute success formula in your MBA or in your career. Don't believe in that. You will never have that. So, take few decisions. Self-discipline is the first point I want to drive today. Now, this mountaineering experience, those of you who have, I have. When I was studying 9th class, Bonagiri, that Fort Hill is there, no? Bonagiri. We climbed it there. And a simple example I'll give you. When you are climbing steps and when you are going down, which one do you find it easy? Climbing or going down? I want somebody to write there, the other side, with an upwards arrow mark. Somebody can write it. Feeling shy to write, huh? Don't worry, nobody remembers your face because you are covered with mask. Uphill hopes. No, that's the other side, Nana. Just put an arrow mark upward. Uphill hopes. Uphill hopes. Okay. No. We'll come back to that later. How many of you have got hopes now? Because a person without hope cannot live in the world. What is your hope for now? At least that you would live for your 50 years, 60 years, 65 years. Anybody wishes to die today?
No.
So everybody has a hope to live at least for till tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, very good. I am happy that you gave a response, at least with your death and life issue. It's nice to see the response. So we all have hopes. I have a hope of bringing up this college. Faculty will have a hope of taking their lessons to the students to their best maximum capacity and doing the rest of the things. You will have a hope of, I don't know, your own hopes. Okay? Your hopes are good and anything to achieve is always growth level. Okay? Whatever you want to achieve, you are at this platform right now and you want to achieve, it's a growth. You are growing in your age, you are growing in your mental capacity, you are growing in your decision making powers, you are growing in your personality. Some of you may not be also. Declining age already started. So we will not bother about them. Okay? So your point of growth is always upwards. And you know, when does the flight consume more fuel? When it is alighting or taking off? Why? Lot of? You can see there is no right and wrong answer. And this is where I wanted you to talk to. You have to use your opportunity. And when you don't use your opportunity, you are losing it. You have to overcome your fears. And these sessions are meant for that. Why does a plane consume more fuel when it is taking off?
To get away from the force.
Get away from?
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force. All these things are correct. Exact point is because when you are going up, the gravitation force is more. You are fighting against the gravitation force of the earth. When you are coming down, it is absorbing, so it's easy. It has to control only its speed. But more danger lies only when it is coming down. Okay, that's a different story. Aeronautical engineering students will do better there. For us, the point is when you are trying to develop yourself, it is not that easy for you. It is going to be difficult but not impossible. You have to create your minds in such a way that whatever it is that you are going to do little work towards that. Without working. Now, general culture, should I tell you, after the classes, go back to your home, keep the bag there and touch it only next day when you are coming to college. What a wonderful answers. You are all very genuine students. I appreciate for that, but I don't approve what you are doing. Okay, so this is what is happening. But if you want to develop yourselves, I am talking again not only in terms of your books. Books anyway you will study for your examinations, but I want your total personality to be somebody with integrity and character. Where your children, grandchildren will look at you and say, yes, we have some role model in our families. You have to go to that level. So self-discipline will consist of your thinking process first. When I say self-discipline, what do you understand? Coming on time. Being regular. Then discipline, what do you understand? Not making noise in the class. Not troubling the lecturers. What else?
Not littering the waste.
Not littering the waste. All these things are discipline. Sitting nicely and then not looking this side and that side. All this I think from LKG onwards you have been listening. No, discipline word. Yeah. Self-control is equal to discipline. So when you hear the word self-control, don't think it is only these peripheral things. If you see Abdul Kalam, how does he look? If you don't know him by name and if you are seeing him first time, does he look like an intelligent guy? He doesn't. But man with lot of intelligence. It is not your physical appearance, it is your mental toughness. Please make a note. It is not your physical appearance. Whatever Fair and Lovely, this cream that you use is only for time being. All the wedding makeup, unfortunately nowadays there is no power cut. But if there is used to be a power cut, with your sweat, your makeup also will come down. Especially for girls. So all Amma? అబ్బాయిలు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ వేస్తారట. తెలుసు కదా ఈ సామెత. చిన్న కోడలు మంచిదంటే పెద్ద కోడలు ఇంకా మంచిది. చెడు చెప్పుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు మనం. చిన్న కోడలు మంచిదంటే పెద్ద కోడలు ఇంకా మంచిది. I don't want you to talk at the end, man. Yeah. Kindly listen. If you're not interested, you can sleep off. But don't disturb the others. Appeal hopes, your aspirations will face little tough time. Because you are not doing something regularly. Downhill habits, I want somebody to write downhill habits, the other side of it, opposite. Put arrow mark downwards and then write downhill habits. Your habits will make you either successful or unsuccessful. What kind of habits you have? How many of you read books? No, that's only for resume writing. Reading books, for resume writing, you write it in your resume. My hobby is reading books. What is the latest book that I read? 10th class book. Downhill habits. Your habits, if your aspirations are good. We don't doubt with your aspirations. You all want to be somebody in the society. Good. That's a fantastic thing. I hope you all at least have identified some of the areas of your strengths and weaknesses to work in these 2 years. If you have not done, then you are only going to waste your time. I am not going to lose anything. I am only going to develop myself by taking these sessions. But from your end, if you are not working, up to you. But problem is, you will regret later. You will regret later for having not developed your personality. I am not talking again in terms of marks. I stress that point because faculty will take care of that. Yeah, you will also take care of it. I was coming for this session, and then your senior students are sitting near the church and then preparing for their examinations. They have their second semester examinations. So I know they will do it before examinations, and you will also follow in their footsteps. But your habits, how does a habit form? Does it automatically form? Think. Suppose now, getting up late, if I take that example, it doesn't happen automatically. Maybe suppose, let us say today you have gone with your family for a movie, you came around 1:30 or 2 o'clock, imagine. Generally you get up at 6 o'clock. But today, because you slept at 2 o'clock, you are going to wake up at 8 o'clock. Next day, do you automatically get up at 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock? It is 6 o'clock because you have been doing that. So your habits are formed by doing it repetitively. Okay, you are not taking notes in your class first day. It doesn't become a habit. It is only an act. Act done repetitively will become your habit, good or bad, whatever it is. If you want to construct your life, then focus yourself in good habits. Good habits I am not going to describe to you because some of you good habit may be only chatting. I don't decide what is good for you, what is bad for you. I am not going to decide, but I am going to tell you where these good habits will lead you or bad habits will lead you. You have to be very careful with your habits. Unless you form some good habits can include, suppose some of you are good at art. Spend some time, maybe daily some time or weekly some time. Some of you are good at cricket. Wonderful. Go for practice. Suppose you are going for practice today and then 1 week off and then again. Do you think your coach will smile at you and then welcome you to the ground? How do you form a habit? You have to form a habit, or you have to learn cricket, or you have to learn shuttle, or you have to learn soccer, whatever it is, by doing it repetitively and consistently. Somebody said consistency. If that is missing, you have all good intentions. You know, all on the day of marriage, all couple enter into marriage bond only with good intentions. After 10 years only, their intentions will be revealed. Yeah. 1 year only. Experienced people are saying. So anyway, for those of you who don't know me, Catholic priests don't marry. We Catholic priests don't marry. We dedicate our lives for the service of the people. So don't imagine when I'm saying some examples, oh Father. No. So I am. We don't call ourselves as bachelor, we call ourselves as celibates. Celibate. Bachelor is possibility of marrying in future. Celibate, lifelong no marriage. So that's our life, dedicated only for your development. So where are we? With your habits. Habit formation is very important. Unless you identify some habits for yourselves, friends, understand you are only going to waste 2 years. And I don't want you to do that. Heartily, with my heartfelt passion, compassion, sympathy, empathy, I am of your opinion with you that I don't want you to waste so many number of hours, out of which you can remove daily, imagine daily, how many hours you sleep? Oh, very good. Comfortably you can sleep 8 hours because lockdown. Okay, so how many days? 720 days, right? 720 into 8 hours, how much it's coming? 720 into 8? 5,000? Okay. Can somebody minus it with the 17,280?
11,520.
Okay. So 11,000, almost, let us approximately imagine 10,000 hours are at your disposal. 10,000 hours is not easy thing, because you see, to sit here for 45 minutes to listen to this lecture, it's going to be little difficult sometimes. Sometimes interesting, sometimes boring. So you will be feeling that burden for 1 hour. 1 hour lecture, how many times you have in your intermediate degree you told yourself, no, wow, 45 minutes. Was this experience of also yours? So if you can imagine 45 minutes experience like that, 10,000 hours, you can become a Michelangelo or whatnot. If somebody is given 10,000 hours for practice without any disturbance, you would make a genius in your own field. Habit formation is very important. Then, to make your habits good one, bad ones will lead you anyway. You're all reading in the newspapers, you know, all these hijack cases or website, what do you call it? Hacking cases. Do you think they're all uneducated people? They are highly educated people, but their interests are misformed. They are educated people. All these mobile thieves and then remodeling those things, all these people are with knowledge of technology. How many times you have read in newspapers that engineering students, PhD students resorting to theft? Many times. So, if your education is not going to, this is one habit you can think. If your education is not going to make you a human person, then no use. We are literates but not educated. You know the difference between literates and educated? Anybody? I'll give you a prize. If you can define the difference between educated and literate. Literate is one who can read and write, but no values. He can kill, he can murder, he can rape, anything. Educated is the one who has got values. Educated need not be literate. Educated need not be literate. He need not know Hindi, English, Telugu. It is enough that he knows his mother tongue. But he knows values, how to respect women, how to encourage students, how to talk to son or daughter, all these things. So, if you have to form your habits, you have to come to the next step of making a decision. How much time I have, ma'am? Please just give me a reminder before 5 minutes. Okay, another 5 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes. I'll take another 7 minutes. If you have to form your habits, you have to have decision making skills. Yesterday I was listening to one talk. India lacks leaders. We have politicians. There is a lot of difference between, again, politician and a leader. We do not have leaders. Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, these kind of countries, you see their development and our development. Do we lack human resources? We don't. Plenty of HR. Do we lack marketing resources? No. All the good people fly abroad and then make a living there, as if we are only living for money. This is my personal opinion. You can differ and you can also fly. Okay, I can give you letter of recommendation without any problem. Decision making you have to have very quickly. Suppose, you know, they say, no, justice delayed is justice denied. So, decision delayed is decision not taken. If you have to take a decision immediately, you have to take a decision. How many of you will take a decision immediately depends on your professional competency. Suppose now you are sitting in the examination hall, there is one question which looks similar with another one. You have to take a decision, either this answer or that answer. Again, it will depend on your professional knowledge, your subject knowledge. Unless you have your subject knowledge, you are not going to make a better decision, because you do not know how to make a decision. Based on what you will make a decision. Suppose now I draw one line and ask you to and ask you to tell whether it is a long line or a short line, how do you make a decision? It is neither long nor short, because there is only one. You draw another line and then you will be able to say which is longer or which is shorter. So your decision making skills, dear friends, you have to exercise now, because after 2 years you will be made to decide on who is going to be your partner. They also don't leave everything to the choice of your parents. With their consultation, I am not propagating anything bad. Please don't misunderstand. I am only driving a point, saying that you have to have decision making skills, very, very, very important. What do you want to do? Decide now. Then work accordingly. You want to be a manager? Decide. You want to be a leader? Decide. You want to be a follower? Decide. You want to be a peon? Decide. You want to be an entrepreneur? Decide. No, we will decide later. When later? Later will never come to you. Tomorrow, without date, tomorrow will never come to you. I'll start doing tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards. Then immediately you must ask, put a date. Without date, what is tomorrow? Tomorrow only. Without date, tomorrow is tomorrow only. So if you have not made a decision what to do in these 2 years, you are going to waste it. And we are not going to worry too much when you are wasting, but we only feel sad that you are wasting in spite of having resources. You have all the resources at your disposal, faculty to guide, library to refer, and then your internet, Google RT, everything is available. Make use of the resources, make use of your life's proposition right now, what is available to you, because this is the best time to learn. This is the best time to learn. At 45, it's very difficult for me to sit and read something and then remember. Comprehensive idea is easy for me now. I can read a book and talk to you about 3 hours without referring to that. But if you ask me to write point wise, difficult to remember things. Not easy for anybody. Because with the age, your mind retention power also reduces. So you have to make a decision, dear friends. Make a decision right now. Don't think of me now. What do you want to do in your MBA right now? Where do you want to develop? Your financial status you want to develop? Your professional status you want to develop? How many of you prepared your CV by now? Resume? Others? Please start now, because you have to see your improvement. You have to see. You can perhaps maybe one of the sessions give them best CV, not format. What things will go into their personality type, their paper publications, research aptitude, leadership skills, managerial skills, or negotiation skills. All these things, negotiation. Suppose they give you a product and ask you to sell 10 rupees product, they will ask you to sell at 100 rupees. How do you negotiate? Two people are fighting. How do you negotiate between them? You are going to be HR manager, and then 10 people will come to you saying that we are not able to proceed with the work. What solution will you give? Have you ever imagined that you are going to be HR manager? Imagine now. There is nothing wrong in imagining. We are not going to ask you to pay for it. You don't have to pay for it. Imagine. Imagination is the biggest thing. Abdul Kalam tells dreams. You have to dream yourself. And not in sleep. These dreams should make you not to sleep. They are called dreams. If the dreams are making you to sleep comfortably, then they are not dreams. You have to have a vision. What I want to do. And do I like what I am doing? Please remember this. Unless you like things, you are not going to do it heartfully. If your boyfriend or girlfriend asks you to come for a ride, you will happily go. Okay? If he asks you to come to college for 4 hours to sit in a lecture, half-heartedly. I am just giving you example to tell you only when you like. How many of you experience, when we were in the school, this mostly happens. If you like a teacher, you will love that subject. Am I right? Look at the thunderous response. Very happy for you. Really. This psychology is there all the time. Unless you like your subject, unless you like your profession that you are going to handle in future, then how are you going to manage it? Just imagine you are going to be a leader after 5 years in one company. You will be given with 20 subordinates. You have to handle them. Some of you may be elder to you, some of you may be younger to you. What kind of skills you need? These things will not come to you in the subjects. Sometimes maybe in HR subjects, sometimes they will be just touched upon, but practical exposure, you have to use all your creativity and then learn things. When activities are conducted in the college, when you don't participate, what are you losing? You are losing an opportunity of time management skills, friends, negotiation skills, planning skills, execution skills, and then sometimes you have rift between people, that also you have to manage. All these things you will be missing when you don't participate in activities. MBA is not just studying, you have to manage things. You have to conduct activities, national level, international level activities. And we will be the first ones to encourage you when you come with a proposal to conduct anything like that. So decision making is going to play a vital role in your life because you have to decide. Without deciding, you can't. Suppose suddenly one day, out of the blue moon, you get up from your bed, you got ready, and then you are stuck there. Don't know what to do, where to go. It is like a stranger coming and staying in the crossroads and asking traffic police person, where should I go? What is the way he asks? Then police person asks, where do you want to go? Then this man says, I don't know. Very clever answer. When you don't know where you want to go, nobody will tell you where you have to go, how you have to go. At least you should know where you want to go. Am I making some sense to you? Yes? If you don't know where you want to go, we are all of no use to you. So decide where you want to be. Fix higher goals. Uphill hopes. Don't allow your hopes to be on a normal plane, where you don't consume your energy, where you don't spend your energy. You have to spend your energy right now. For 2 years, you are going to be on your toes to learn yourself. Just to pass examinations, you don't have to study extra. It is just before examinations enough, and then what you listen in the class, our lecturers will give you the best of the things that is going to suffice for you. But if you want to make somebody great out of your personality, like it is raw now, you have to chisel it and then remove all the extra things and then create it into a beautiful statue. That's your responsibility. You should know what to remove, where to add, where to make up and then where to remove makeup. All these things you should be aware of it. Decision making is going to play a major role in your life. And how to decide, I told you, financial matters you might have personal development problems. Personal development problems, you see, when I was in St. Mary's, there was a boy who had a little stuttering problem. But once he starts, within half a minute or 1.5 minutes, his flow is good. But to start, he was having plenty of problem psychologically. Physically, he has a problem, but he thinks he cannot talk. With lot of motivation. This was in my second year of principal in St. Mary's. By the time he came to third year, he was the first one to be selected in the job placement. He worked on it. Every opportunity that was given in the class, he used to get up and start. First, his classmates laughed. Second day also continued. Third day also continued. He came to me crying, Father, everybody is laughing. I said, what is it to you? They are laughing, fine. In what way you are getting affected? If you are strong here, no laughing, no ridicule, no complaint, compliment will hurt you. You are allowing to be hurted. If you don't allow, yeah. When you are walking on the road, especially girls might be facing, some boys will be making comments. Do you get hurt for everything? If you get hurt, you don't have to walk on the road. You have to sit in the home only. If you have to walk on the road, you have to face these things. So make a decision. You are going to please your friends, sit there comfortably, warm your benches, you are most welcome. You want to take a chance, get up from your chair, take up an activity, participate, gain something, and end of the day, who is at a better position? The one who participates, the one who takes part, the one who conducts, the one who takes lead. The other person, okay, life is going on, Anyway, parents are providing food, shelter is secured. What else you need? What else you need? But you will regret later if you have not made a good decision. Your decision, one decision I can appreciate is choosing St. Joseph's. Not because we are here, we are saying, because we really work for your growth. Day in and day out, we plan so many things, and I think you might have been seeing what are the things they have been telling. So many things. You name it, you will have it. You go to hotel, they will give you menu card. Out of the menu card, do they give you order? You have not visited hotel any time? Yes? Yeah, at least now you start. You will have your friends now. So when you go to hotel, they will give you menu card. You want something out of the menu card. What will the bearer say? No sir, not available. No sir, not available. Sometimes even in the menu card they say today it is not available, sir. Or sometimes when you enter, today is special. You should have every day today is special. You ask the faculty, ma'am, we want this. You demand it. We will provide it for you. See, when we are coming out so heartily to contribute to the growth of your personality, you have to take it to yourself. If you don't take it, we are not the losers. We provide opportunities. We give you a chance. You have to make a choice. So the last point would be you have to make a choice. I have a little story to contribute to this choice decision. There was an intelligent guru, very intelligent, who can predict your future, past, and all these things. Don't ask me to name him, he's not there now. It's only story. So you don't have to go there and ask what job I'm going to get, which madam is going to give me highest marks. No, not required right now. So the guru is very famous in predicting things. One day, another intelligent boy, some of you like this, went with a bird in his hands, keeping at the back of his back. He went there and asked Guru, Guru, I have a bird in my hands. Is it alive or dead? Guru thinks for some time. If I say it is alive, he will just squeeze it and kill it and show me that it is dead. If I say it is dead, he will release it alive and show me, Guru, you failed. Then Guru thinks for a fraction of a second and says, the life of the bird is in your hands. Your life also is in your hands, not in our hands. We contribute to your growth. But who has to grow? Repeat, who has to grow? Answer me. You have to grow, not we. We are growing in a different platform. Writing case studies, writing research papers, books, articles. Faculty growth is different, but we have to grow. The moment you stop growing, you stop existing as a physical person. The moment you stop learning, then your deterioration begins. Downhill habits. Never get into the habit of downhill habits because that's easy. You know, smoking is a fashion right now. Correct? Very easy to get into it. To give it up, very difficult. Very difficult. It's easy to get into the habit of smoking or drinking, but giving it up, very difficult. So your uphill hopes, you have to define your hopes, please. And downhill habits, all the habits that contribute, that do not contribute to your growth, please start working on those things. Start developing good habits. Good habits, I told you, you have to decide for yourself. I am not going to decide for you. So, end of the day, you will become or you will emerge as a leader. I'll continue further maybe after your joining when classes begin. Once in a week, we will have different kinds of talks on different themes. And one of that could be a leader with emotional intelligence and other EQ and IQ and all those things. But take a decision. Do you remember the 4 points that I told you in the first meeting? God, Father, what are you talking about? It's over. At least if you remember, some of you, please follow it. Today's talk is about your self-discipline, habit formation, decision making, and choice. You decide for yourselves whether you are going to be a better person or a person. Even the ones who are mentally gone, mentally retarded people, rag pickers, sometimes you see mentally retarded people going on the streets without proper clothes and other things. He is also a human person. We are also a human person. Difference lies where? I leave it to your imagination. Okay. So decide for yourselves, dear friends. You have wonderful 2 years opportunity. Great time. Don't worry, we will fight Corona. Corona will come and go, but our lives will continue. Okay. So with that great hope of your lives being better every day, I wish you again all the best. Okay. And for the next sessions, I will leave the platform to Madam. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much. Yes, dear students, I think now you can understand what our head of the institution as well as our faculty want from you. Yes, we can see how much effort as a head of the institution, our principal, is putting towards you to develop you and then reform you. Yes, I hope you understand his efforts, his interest, his desire, his wishes, so that all of you get placed by the time you leave the college. See, this is the pure intention with which that you are going to be successful, not only in career but also in life. So please take it to your heart, so that whatever self-discipline what Father was telling, when you are self-disciplined, everything you can achieve. And then decision making is one of the very, very important thing that you need to inculcate as a leader. As on the first day we are talking to you about our vision of our department, right? That you need to be a global leader, right? So this is what Father was trying to drive in you, so that if you develop these skills, and then anything you can achieve in your life, everything you can achieve in your life. Thank you, Father. Thank you so much for your words, good words. I think students will really think. I can see the seriousness. When compared to previous batch, I am feeling this batch is more serious about it. Let us hope, Father. And then whatever your efforts are there, I think they will make it successful. Thank you, Father. Once again. Now the class in charges will take over. So we have 3 class in charges. Like you mentioned, we'll be dividing into classes shortly, and then before that today we'll be having the class teachers, section A, Lalita ma'am, section B, Rani ma'am, and then section C, Gracie ma'am. 3 of the class teachers together will be telling you the rules and regulations that you need to follow when you are there in St. Joseph for these 2 years. And you will be in touch with your class teacher as well as the mentors who will be allotted this particular year for you. So over to the class teachers.
charge for class B. Okay. Here is Dr. Lalita. She will be section in charge for class A. And ma'am is Gracie ma'am. She will be in charge for section C. Okay. So first we will be giving